Hey there, Todd with Industrial Comfort. In an earlier video, we made a coffee scoop from a piece of scrap walnut. Well, today we're going to make a traditional kitchen scoop from this piece of ambrosia maple that came down from my neighbor's tree. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is shaping up to have some pretty cool grain structure. During the introduction to this video, I mentioned that this maple was ambrosia maple, and what defines ambrosia maple is an infestation of ambrosia beetles. And you can see here these holes. This is where the ambrosia beetle burrows into the tree, and these streaks that you can see here are what the ambrosia beetle excretes, and that's what gives the maple that striation and that coloration. So we'll see how this ends up turning out. And here's the finished product. Very rustic look, and as you can see, there's a lot of striation here in the wood from that ambrosia pattern. You can see the worm hole. Before I let you go, some may be wondering, why didn't I use a 2-inch Forstner bit like this to hollow out the cavity of the scoop? And the reason is that it's very difficult, if not even impossible, to drill against end grain with a bit like this. That's why I chose to use a standard drill bit and then hollow out the cavity using a bowl gouge. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.